Bug, who are you talking to?
Katie Bug is on 2 phones at the moment. Talking up a storm. Who are you talking to?
Hey, I was on that phone.
Just carrying around the phone.
She's switching ears.
Uh-oh, did you drop a call?
I think your other hand is funnier than everything else.
Where's your other phone? I told you she gestures while she's on the phone. I told you.
I like what they're saying.
Where's your other phone? It was funnier when she was on 2 phones at once. She was a little businesswoman for a minute.
This is not what I said. You can't go back. You freak.
She's pacing. Oh, okay, Bug, you're awesome.
You let him have it, one. Let him have it. I'm still on call waiting.
It's on her back now. Calling somebody to come clean up this mess? Yeah. Babe, go give her the other phone back. Is it for Daddy? Why don't you put it back down? I think she's talking to tech support.
Oh, one shows, baby. They're not listening. Whatever is you gonna do?
Are they on speakerphone?
Calm down now.
Are you over it? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. What's in your mouth? Is your phone ringing? I think I hear it.
Come give your baby a hug.
Daddy has your baby.
Give it a hug.
That's not her baby. Aww.
That's so cute. Aww.
Sweet girl. Her baby's around here too.
I just wanted to show how she wants it.
Gotta get back to your important phone call. I know it's the same thing over and over, but I don't want to stop. She's covering her other ear. She is covering her other ear. Is it too loud in here? Can't focus? That's right. You just hang up on them.
This is what you want? Oh. Need some juice.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I can't get now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good girl.